Good evening everyone. Welcome to my class. Today I am going to discuss few word problem based on the topic trigonometry. Application of trigonometry. Here once again good evening everyone. Welcome to my class. Today I am going to teach application of trigonometry. I will discuss few word problems. Okay. These problems are very important. Definitely they will ask in the exam. Okay, trigonometry word problems is must. At least one word problem they will ask. Okay, next let us discuss the first question in the application of trigonometry. First question: a circus artist is climbing a 20-meter long rope. Here consider this AC is the long rope, 20-meter long rope, which is tightly stretched and tied from the top of a vertical pole. This is the pole. AB is the pole. Okay, from this pole, A is the top of the pole. From the pole, AC is the long rope. It is tied from the pole, stretched and also tied from the top of a vertical pole. This is the vertical pole to the ground. This is the ground. In this question they are given the diagram, but some questions they will not give the diagram. You have to write the diagram when you will solve the word problems. Okay. Then here find the height of the pole. Height of the pole AB you have to find out. Height of the pole is nothing but AB. The length of the pole, otherwise the height of the pole you have to find out. AB you have to find out. Then find the height of the pole if the angle made by the rope with the ground level is 30 degree. This is the rope, this is the ground. The angle made between the rope and the ground is 30 degree. Already they mentioned, they are given the diagram. This question is very easy because they given the diagram. When they will give the diagram, solving it will be very easy, but sometime they will not give the diagram. You have to draw the diagram, then only you will come to know what is given in the question, then how to solve the question. That also very important. I think everyone you understood the problem. Okay, this is the rope. AC is the rope. That rope is stretched and tied to the ground from the top of the pole. AC is the rope, then AB is the pole. Then angle made between the ground and the rope is 30 degree, and also length of the rope also it is given 20 meter. Then they are asking to find out the length of the pole or height of the pole. Consider here, you know, sin theta it will be sin theta it will be equal to opposite divided by hypotenuse. Here this angle is 90 degree, this is 30 degree, means this one is adjacent. Okay, then this is opposite, then the side opposite to the 90 degree, that it will be hypotenuse. This one you know, very basic. Then sin theta it will be opposite divided by adjacent. Opposite we don't know, write AB as it is. Sin theta, here sin 30 degree because they are given the angle here, sin 30 degree divided by hypotenuse also they are given 20 meter. You know the value of sin 30. Sin 30 its value is 1 by 2. It will be equal to AB divided by 20. 2 ones are 2, 10s are, therefore your required answer AB it will be 10 meter, because the length of the rope they are given in meter. Therefore the length of the, otherwise height of the pole it will be 10 meter. Very easy and simple problem. How you will calculate the height of the pole? Consider sin theta, you know the formula, opposite divided by hypotenuse. Then here they are given the angle 30 degree. Sin 30 degree it will be equal to, opposite is AB divided by hypotenuse value is given 20 meter. Substitute Then you know the value of sine 30 degree is nothing but 1 by 2. Then 2 ones are 2 tens are AB, it will be 10 meter. I think everyone you understood. I will move to the next question. In this question they are not given the diagram, but I draw the diagram early because it will waste of time. Don't worry, once again I will explain how to draw the diagram. Okay, consider a tree. Okay, a tree breaks due to storm and the broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground, making an angle of 30 degree. Here this is the angle 30 degree. Consider this is the tree, BD is the tree, this is the tree. Due to the thunderstorm, this tree it will break AC. At the point C, the tree it will break. Okay, at the point C, this off of the tree it will break, and also it will bend and it will touches the ground. The top of the tree touches the ground, making an angle 30 degree. Then this top of the tree it will touch the ground, this is the ground, it will make an angle 30 degree. The distance between the foot of the tree to the point where the top touches the ground is 8 meter. Here they are given the distance from here to here, from A to B is 8 meter. Listen here, the distance between the foot of the tree, this is the foot of the tree, the distance between the foot of the tree to the point where the top of the tree touches, top of the tree touches at the point A. The distance between the, this is the foot of the tree, this is the point A is the top of the tree. How it will be become top means, when because of the thunderstorm, this tree it will break, it will touch the ground, then this point it is nothing but top of the tree. Okay, the distance between these 2 points it will be 8 meter. They are given in the question. Find the height of the tree. Height of the tree is nothing but BD. I will write here. Height of the tree is nothing but the length of the, you have to measure the length between the point B and D. That one you have to calculate. First let us identify here which one is adjacent, opposite, hypotenuse, everything. This angle is 90 degree means this one is adjacent. Then the side opposite to 90 degree, this one is hypotenuse. Then BC it will be opposite. Consider to solve the problem, consider here tan theta. You know the formula, tan theta it will be equal to opposite divided by adjacent. Here consider tan 30 degree, it will be opposite. Here is BC, we don't know the opposite value, write BC as it is. Adjacent they are given, that is 8 meter. Then you know the value of tan 30, it will be equal to 1 by root 3, it will be equal to BC divided by 8. Then cross multiply, you will get here, cross multiply here you will get, I will write that one in the next step, 8 root 3 BC it will be equal to 8, otherwise BC it will be equal to 8 divided by root 3 meter. Everything is in meter only, no, that's why. Okay, we calculated BC, only BC we calculated, we have to calculate CD because this full length of the tree it will be the sum of DC and also plus CB. You up to here you understood. I consider here tan theta it will be opposite divided by adjacent. Here they are given the angle tan 30 degree, it will be equal to opposite is here BC divided by adjacent is here AB. AB is the adjacent, its length is given 8 meter. Substitute. You know the value of tan 30 degree, it will be equal to 1 by root 3. Then this it will be equal to BC divided by 8. Cross multiply, you will get root 3 BC it will be equal to 8. Then BC it will be 8 by root 3 meter. Tell me hi, who is there in the live? Someone is there in the live. Tell me hi. At least I can discuss whether you are following or not, because these are the word problems what I discussed yesterday. Okay, it will be okay that without my yes. Those who are there in the live, tell me hi, then I will come to know who is there in live. Okay. Okay. Now, then I have to calculate BC. I know BC value I got here. BC value is how much? 8 divided by root 3. But you know the length of the tree, it will be DC plus CB. Then how you will calculate DC? I will write here. How you will calculate DC here? DC is nothing but DC, it will be equal to AC, length of AC. Why means because this tree only of due to the thunderstorm it cutted. Okay, therefore DC it will be equal to AC. Then according to the Pythagoras theorem, you know AC square it will be equal to AB square plus BC square. I have to calculate AC square, right as it is. AB square, they are given the value 8 square. BC square, now we derived, now we got 8 divided by root 3 whole square. Then 8 square means 64. Again 8 square means 64. Root 3 whole square is nothing but 3. Then here this it will be equal to, take LCM, 64 into 3 plus 64 divided by 3. Multiply, solve, you will get the value here 192 into 192 plus 4 here plus. Multiply 64 into 3, you will get 192 plus 64 divided by 3. It is nothing but, what is the sum? 256 divided by 3. This is AC square, but I want AC. Then AC it will be equal to square root of 256 divided by 3. Square root of 256, full square root is there up to here, full. Even root 3 also it contains square. Even 3 also it contains square, full. Then 256 square is nothing but, what is the value of the square 256? 16. Therefore 16 divided by root 3. 16 divided by root 3. From Pythagoras theorem we got AC it will be 16 divided by root 3. AC it will be equal to DC, I mentioned in the beginning only. Therefore length of the tree is nothing but, I will write here in the next step, length of the tree, otherwise height of the tree, height of the tree it will be equal to BC plus DC. Then BC value we calculate 8 divided by root 3. DC now we calculated 16 divided by root 3. Then root 3 is the common LCM. Then root 3, 16 plus 8, 24. Rationalize this one. When you are rationalizing, multiply and divide it by root 3. Then 24 root 3 divided by root 3 into root 3 whole square, you will get 3. 3 ones are 3 eights are. Then your answer is 8 root 3. This is the exact height of the tree. Very easy and also simple problem. If you understand, it will be simple. First you have to know how to draw the diagram, then everything it will be easy. Once again I will explain. Someone is there, those who joined late. Tell me hi, who is there? If you don't want to interact with me, at least tell me hi, who is there in live. Okay, listen here. Once again I will explain. A tree breaks due to storm. The broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground, making an angle 30 degree. This is the tree. Due to the storm, it will break. Then top of the tree, it will touches the ground at a point A. Then it will make an angle 30 degree. The angle made by the tree and the ground, it will be 30 degree. The distance between the foot of the tree to the point where the top touches the ground is 8 meter. This is the foot of the tree. This is the top of the tree after cutting, after broken. Then the distance between these 2 points is given 8 meter. Then what you have to calculate? You have to calculate the height of the tree. Then you know, according to tan theta, it will be opposite divided by adjacent. Here the angle is given 30 degree. Tan 30 degree, it will be equal to, here this is the adjacent side because two angles are making here adjacent. Then the side opposite to 90 degree is hypotenuse. Then the side opposite to acute angle is, the side opposite to acute angle is opposite side. That everyone you know, because that one is the basic. I explained how to choose hypotenuse, adjacent, opposite, everything. I in detail I explained in trigonometry part 1. Okay. Then here they are given the angle is 30 degree. Tan 30 degree, it will be equal to BC divided by 8. You know the value of tan 30 degree, 1 by root 3, it will be equal to BC by 8. Simplify, you will get BC, it will be 8 divided by root 3. Then I have to calculate the value of DC. DC, it will be equal to AC because same height of the tree, it will be cutted. Otherwise, length of the tree, it will be cutted, it will be broken. Therefore, AC, it will be equal to DC. How you can calculate AC? Using the Pythagoras theorem, you can calculate AC square, it will be equal to AB square plus BC square. Use Pythagoras theorem, you will get AC, it will be 16 divided by root 3. You know the height of the tree, it will be sum of BC plus DC. Substitute, you will get the value 8 root 3. I think everyone you understood. Okay, I will move to the next question. Today I will solve only 8 questions. Then maybe tomorrow I will solve another 8 questions. Because this trigonometry word problems are very important. Even one question it will take like 10 minutes. I am detail I am explaining. Therefore, that is very important. Okay. Next one. Okay, I will move to the next question now. Read the question, try to write the diagram. Try to write the diagram. Okay. Next question, question number 3. Easy question. A contractor plans to install 2 slides for children to play in a park. Already I draw the diagram. Listen here. Here a contractor plans to install 2 slides. Okay, 2 slides. Consider here this one slide. This is the another slide. Okay, up to here I will stop. Okay, 2 slides for children below the age of 5 years. She prefers to have a slide whose top is at height of 1.5. Both the slides, they will be attached to each other. smaller one, it will be helpful for the children below the age of 5 years. Then here they are given the angle 30 degree. The smaller slide, that slide is below the age of 5 years, and also it is an inclined an angle of 30 degree. That's why I mentioned here this is the smaller slide making an angle of 30 degree here. Okay, making an angle of 30 degree here. Whereas for elder children, she wants to have a step slide at an height of 3 meter. If this one up to here is 1.5 means E and D is 1.5. 1.5 total it is 3 centimeter. They are given in the question. Total it will be 3 centimeter. But up to this height, up to here small side, the height it will be 1.5, remaining it will be 1.5 only. Then making an angle of 60 degree, the bigger slide making an angle of 60 degree. What should be the length of the slide in each case? What should be the length of the slide? This length they are calculating. You have to calculate the length of the slide. Understood everyone? Here what they are asking in the question, one contractor, he is building the slides. Okay, smaller one he is constructing for the children's below the age of 5 years. Okay, its height is 1.5 and angle between the angle made by the slide is 30 degree. Then same he is constructing one more the bigger slide, and also the slide making an angle of 60 degree. Then the height of the slide is given how much? 3 centimeter. Then what you have to calculate here? Calculate the length of the slide. Otherwise what should be the length of the slide in each case? Length of the slides you have to calculate. I think everyone you understood the problem. Yes, if you understood the problem, easy solving, it will be very easy. Okay, consider here. First let us identify which one is adjacent, hypotenuse, opposite, everything. This one is 90 degree, therefore this one is adjacent. Then opposite to this is hypotenuse. This one is hypotenuse. This is also hypotenuse. This one is opposite. Okay, consider here. Yes, first what you have to calculate? First you have to consider the triangle ABE. I will consider the triangle A. This one is the BE. Once again I will rub and I will write here. This is B. This one is B. ABE. Smaller triangle. It is looking like a triangle, no? Smaller triangle I am considering, ABE. Then here sin theta, it will be equal to opposite divided by hypotenuse. You know the formula. Then here sin theta values they are given. Sin 30 degree, it will be equal to, this is the opposite, BE is the opposite, its value is given, no, 1.5. Otherwise I will write one more step, EB I will write, in the next step I will substitute. Then hypotenuse value you have to calculate, we don't know, write it as AE. But you know the value of EB, how much? 1.5 divided by AE, write as it is. Otherwise better I will write in the next step, otherwise you will get confused. Better by 2. Then next one, you know the value of sin 30 degree, 1 by 2. It will be equal to EB value is 1.5 divided by AE. Therefore AE it will be 1.5 into 2 is nothing but 3 meter. they are given in meter, no? This is in meter, this also in meter. Okay, next one. Next, what you have to calculate? Consider the next triangle. I consider the smaller one, this triangle. Now I will consider the another big triangle. I will write in the next step. I will write in the next step triangle DBC, the bigger one. Sine 60 degree, it will be equal to opposite divided by hypotenuse. I will tell what is the opposite value here. In the triangle DBC, I am considering sine 60 degree here because the angle is given 60 degree. Sine 60 degree, it will be equal to opposite divided by hypotenuse. Opposite here 1.5, it is nothing but 3 centimeter. Opposite value is 3 centimeter. Hypotenuse we don't know. That one I will write directly here. Opposite is 3 divided by hypotenuse we don't know. Consider as DC. Consider the value. Sine 60 degree is nothing but root 3 divided by 2. It will be equal to 3 divided by DC. Then root 3 divided by 3 2s are 6. It will be 1 divided by DC. Then DC value, it will be equal to DC value, it will be equal to, take the reciprocal, 6 divided by root 3. Then when you will get like this, you have to rationalize the number. When you are rationalizing, multiply and divide with the same number. Then 6 root 3, then root 3 whole square, you will get 3. 3 ones are 3 2s are, then its value is 2 root 3 meter. Everything it will be meter. Okay, therefore now we calculated both the length of the slides. It will be one, it will be how much? 3 meter. This side we got the answer 3 meter. Another, it will be 2 root 3 meter. Very easy problem. You can easily calculate the length of both the slides. It will be 3 meter and 2 root 3 meter respectively. Okay, once again I will explain. Listen here how you can solve the problem here. A contractor, he started building two slides. One smaller slide, one is the smaller one, another one is the bigger one. Then the smaller one making an angle of 30 degree, the bigger one making an angle of 60 degree, they are given. Then height of the smaller slide it is given 1.5. Oh sorry, this is not the height, opposite. Okay, then height is given. Then here also the bigger one is 3 meter. 3 meter, not in centimeter, it will be in meter only. 3 meter, they are given in the question 3 meter only, don't consider centimeter. Okay, they are given in meter only, no? Yes, here 3 meter. 3 meter have a steep slide at a height of 3 meter. Then here they are given the angle and height of the slide, everything they are given. You have to calculate the length of each slides. Okay, you have to calculate. To calculate that one, consider this is as a triangle. In this case, consider sine theta, it will be opposite divided by hypotenuse. Here they are given the angle. Sine 30, it will be, here the opposite is here AEB. Its value is given 1.5. Then the hypotenuse you have to calculate, write it as AE. Then you know the value of sine 30 degree, 1 by 2, it will be equal to AE, it will be equal to 3 meter. Then consider the bigger triangle DBC, I will explain here only. DBC, sine 60 degree, it will be opposite divided by hypotenuse. Opposite is 3 centimeter, 1.5 plus 1.5, 3 centimeter. Total height is 3, they are given. Smaller one, they are given 1.5. Then remaining height, it will be 1.5 because together sum is given 3 meter. Okay, that's why you have to consider in this case opposite, it will be 3 meter. Substitute, solve, you will get the value. But at the end here, you have to rationalize the irrational number. Okay, rationalizing, what you have to do, multiply and divide with the same number, then it will get rationalized. Okay, I will move to the next question. This questions, it is taking more time. Okay, I will change the color. Okay, next question, easy question, next one. A 1.5 meter tall boy is standing at some distance from a 30 meter tall building. Here the height of the building is given, how much? 30 meter. This is the building. The height of the building is given, how much? From the ground it is 30 meter, the height of the building. I will write straightly, 1 minute. Here to here, from the ground, the height of the building, they are given 30 meter. From here to here, 1.5, this is the height of the boy. The boy is standing, no? That is the boy height, it will be 1.5. That's why tall boy. See, reading the question, understanding the question is very, very important. A 1.5 meter tall boy is standing at some distance from a 30 meter tall building. Then the height of the boy also is given 1.5 meter. Then height of the building is given 30 meter. The angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of the building increases from 30 degree to 60 degree. What will happen? The boy, when he will stand at this position, the angle of elevation, it will be 30 degree. Then he will move some distance towards the building. Then angle of elevation, it will increases to 60 degree. That one only they are telling. The angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of the building increases from 30 degree to 60 degree. At this point B, when he is standing at this point, angle of elevation here, it will make 30 degree. When this boy move towards the building, then angle of elevation, it will be increases from 30 to 60 degree. Has he walked towards the building? Yes, he is walking towards the building. This is the building, correct? No? This is the building. This is the boy. Initial position. After walking, he will come to the point C. Okay. Find the distance he walked towards the building. This distance, how much distance he walked towards the building? This distance BC. I will write here. BC, they are asking. What is the distance he walked towards the building? BC, they are telling to calculate. Understood? Understood the question? Okay, once again I will explain here. See, this is the tall building. The height of the building is given 30 meter. Then this boy, he is standing at the point B. Then he will see this tall building. Then angle of elevation, it will be 30 degree. Then this boy, he will move towards the building. Then from his eyes, it will make an angle of elevation, it will be increases from 30 to 60 degree. Then they are asking in the question, when he will walk from point B to C, what is the distance he will walk towards the building? Here 1.5 meter is the height of the boy. Then 30 meter is the total building height. Even the boy is standing on the ground, no? Then you have to minus 30 minus 1.5 you have to do. Then you will get 28.5. From the head of the boy to the building, it will be from here to here. From here to here it will be 28.5. This one is very important. Even the building and boy, they are standing on the ground only. This is the ground you consider. From the ground to the building height, it will be 30 meter. Then you have to consider boy height also, no? From boy height, he is seeing the building. From this point he is making an angle of elevation. Therefore from his point you have to calculate the height of the building. It will be 28.5. This is the point where he can see the building. The angle of elevation, it will be made at these 2 points. That one you have to remember. Then calculation part I will move. If you understand the question, calculation it will be very easy. Okay. Then what you have to calculate? You have to calculate the value of BC, how much distance he will move towards the building. Then consider the triangle ACB here. Consider the bigger one ACD. Consider the triangle here. 2 triangles are there. Consider the smaller one ACD. Then this one is the 90 degree. Then this one is adjacent. Then this one is hypotenuse. Then this one is opposite. For this also, this is the adjacent. This one is the hypotenuse. This one is the opposite one. Then consider here tan theta. I will write in the next step. Tan theta, it will be equal to opposite divided by adjacent. I am talking about the triangle. I will write the triangle. Which triangle I am considering? ACD. The smaller one here. ACD. Then opposite divided by adjacent. You know the opposite value here. The opposite value is given 28.5. Substitute here 28.5. Then here tan 60 degree, no? Tan 60 degree is nothing but root 3. Tan 60 degree, then divided by adjacent we have to calculate, that is nothing but from here to here CD. Understood everyone here? I am considering this triangle here ACD. Once again I will not explain. When I am explaining only detailedly I will explain. Otherwise it will be waste of time. Those who are watching also, those who understood, they will be feel like boring. Okay, I am considering this triangle. Then ACD, tan theta, it will be opposite to hypotenuse. Opposite value they are given 28.5 divided by hypotenuse is nothing but CD. Then here tan 60 degree, it will be equal to root 3. 28.5 divided by CD. Then CD value is 28.5 divided by root 3. I consider one triangle. I consider one more triangle here ABD. Here also tan theta only I will consider. You know the formula, opposite divided by adjacent. I will see from the figure ABD. Consider the bigger one ABD. Here tan theta it will be 30 degree. Then adjacent it will be BD. ABD. ABD. Then tan 30 it will be opposite, it will be same. Opposite value is 28.5. Adjacent we will consider as a BD. We don't know the adjacent value, no? That's why right here BD. Then tan 30 degree it will be equal to opposite value is how much? Opposite it will be 28.5. Adjacent we don't know, write it as BD. Tan 30 degree, you know the value 1 by root 3, it will be equal to 28.5 divided by BD. Then BD value is 28.5 into root 3 meter. Cross multiply. BD it will be equal to 28.5 root 3. Now what you have to calculate I will write in the next step. you have to calculate the, I will show this one, you have to calculate the value of BC from here to here, how much he walked towards the building. BC you have to calculate. You, how you will get BC? Full length BC, it will be equal to, full length is BD minus DC. You have to subtract from full length to this part, then you will get BC. I will substitute in the next page. I will tell how much distance he walked towards the building. Okay. Then you know BD minus CD, it will be equal to BC. Correct? No. Then BD is 28.5 into root 3. CD is 28.5 divided by root 3. Take 28.5 as the common factor. You will get root 3 minus 1 divided by root 3. Then 28.5. Take LCM here. Root 3 whole square is nothing but 3 minus 1 divided by root 3. Then it is nothing but 2 into 28.5 divided by root 3. Then 28.5 into 2 is nothing but 57 divided by root 3. Rationalize here, root 3, then 57 into root 3 divided by 3. 3 ones are, 3 ones are, 3 nines are, then your answer is 19 root 3 meter. How much distance he walked? How much distance he walked? What is the value? How much distance he walked? BC, it will be equal to 19 root 3. Therefore, this value BC is 19 root 3. Very interesting and also simple problem. If you know the problem, easily you can solve. Okay, almost like 45 minutes over. Remaining 4 problems are there. I will make, after 10 minutes I will create one more link. I will make, because it will take 1.5 hour. 1.5 hour means no one will watch the video. If it is 45 minutes, okay. The more than 40 minutes over, no. Therefore, I will split into 2. Okay. I will, another 10 minutes, I will create one more link. I will send. Those who are watching, I know only one is watching. Okay, another 4 problems are there. It will take another half an hour. This video, it will become too lengthy. That's why I will stop the class here only. Another 10 minutes. I will not take more time. Another 10 minutes. I will create one more link. Immediately, I will start the class, because I have to complete at least 8 problems. Lengthy problems. Fastly I can't move, because I am explaining each and everything, how to draw the figure, everything, and what to calculate, everything is important. No, definitely this trigonometry word problems, definitely they will ask all the type of exams, whether it is ctet, tet, hstr, then all the exams. This one is very, very important. Still 4 problems are there. Okay, I will do it in the next class. Now 4:30, no, 4:45 I will start one more class. Okay, now 4:30, 4:45 I will start one more class. There I will finish remaining 4 problems. Okay, thanks for watching. Those who are there in the live, those who are not able to attend the live class, please see the recorded class. Okay, thanks for watching my class.